Hello, welcome to KEDA Shoemaker. We are now standing in the company's brand new, state-of-the-art production hall, more than 20,000 square meters of floor space. One by one, our machining centers are being delivered and commissioned. So let's take a first look together. This hall, together with our existing workshop, will become the birthplace of KEDA Shoemaker's AAC production line. The entire facility is divided into 4 dedicated zones. B1 and B2 cutting and welding zone. Once fully operational, 12 kilowatts fiber laser cutters and welding robots in this zone will deliver pinpoint cutting and high-speed welding. Every steel plate is pre-ground. Every weld is mirror smooth and perfectly uniform. A setup of automatic positioners paired with Panasonic digital welders turns each seam into a textbook example. B3 Precision Machining Zone. Think of this as our precision factory gantry machining centers. CNC boring milling machines and CNC lathes work side by side to achieve ultra-precision machining. Tight tolerances, not a problem. One-time fixturing completes complex processes, boosting both efficiency and quality. B for coating zone. The final step defines the equipment's face. Our shot blasting plus water-based paint plus curing oven line is eco-friendly, safe and eye-catching. The finish is glossy, firmly bonded, and built to last equipment that performs as good as it looks. Behind the scenes, a powerful digital backbone keeps everything synchronized. From raw material to finished machine, every step is traceable and fully monitored. Together, plants A and B have the annual capacity to supply equipment for 80 AAC production lines worldwide. Whatever the global market demands, we're ready. High efficiency, low consumption safety, and environmental care. This is our promise of intelligent manufacturing and the daily standard we uphold at KEDA. That concludes today's tour. See you next time.